Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and is your coffee mug collection more uniform or eclectic? For me, I definitely enjoy a fun variety, and a star lately of my collection has been this CEIERPH Oasis coffee mug. This mug has a really unique shape, which I adore. It has a ribbed texture, narrower base, and a wider and somewhat chunkier cup opening on top. I love the beige base color with the warm, earthy, brown, orange, and gray tones. These colors fit so well with the abstract and kind of geometric desert scene on the mug. I think the chunky square handle really makes this mug stand out, and it's also really easy and comfortable to grip. It is the perfect size for a single cup of coffee, and it also leaves enough room for me to add my cream so I can have my coffee just the way I like it. This mug has definitely been the one that I have been gravitating towards mostly these days. I really love its kind of edgy, individual style. And that's my point of view.